Crucial call here. Ganya will opt for a free three to tie the ball game up. Ganya, free three is good! We are tied. Kamsur looking to answer. Magpantay has it. Crosses the timeline. He falls down. But there's a foul. Jasper Manalang, watch this 3-3. A brave 3-3 by CJ Ganya, the former NBL MVP. Pampanga crowd. Ariate has it. Guarded by Manalang. 10 on the shot clock. They go to Abonete. Pass. Almario wide open. For three. Kamsur with a huge one. As Jerome Almario knocks down a three to break the tie. Can looking to answer. No go. And Abonete with a rebound. Kamsur has it. Here's Ariate. Double teamed. Ariate, 8-second violation. Turn off. 3-point lead for the Express. Because and Magpantay with a steal. The forward pass taken right back by Victoria. Can. This is for the tie. Too strong. And Borbe with a rebound. And a turnover. A turnover for Tikas. And Kamsur, one of the pioneer teams, can win the championship if they can hang on to the lead. We watch that slow-mo. The battle for that ball. Borbe had it. And then that pass. And based from that, no one touched it from the side of Tikas. The ball goes to Bragais. Bragais one-on-one against Almario. Bragais still has it. Fade away, 3-point shot, does not fall. Battle for the rebound, the tip won't work. Kamsur has it, and there is going to be a foul on Tikas. Ariate, the second free throw, no go. And Bragais secures the rebound. Tikas still has a chance. Bragais attacks, kicks it out. Can for three. Can. The lead is down to 1 with 24 seconds left. To Lancer Can. Contested 3 and he knocks that one home. And Tikas still very much alive here in game 5. Look at this 3. Contested 3 by Verman. Magpantay but Can finding a way to knock it down. Kamsur chooses to inbound it at the half-court line. It's going to be 14 seconds. There's going to be a difference between the clocks. It's not to foul in this possession. And they will inbound it at the backcourt. So it's going to be 24 seconds on the shot clock. So Tikas has to foul here. Almario the inbounder. Passes it to Ariate. Ariate escapes the defense. Bounce pass. Sablaon. Abonete, no foul. They go to the corner, Magpantay. Clock winding down. Almario still has the ball. Coach Jepchan wants a foul. And there's the foul. Almario will shoot a pair with 7 seconds left. Coach Jepchan visibly frustrated with what happened there. Clock winded down.
Penalty, fifth foul on Lancer Can.
Kamsur, watch it again. Almario looking to escape. And finally the foul by Lancer Can with 7.5 seconds. Still a lot of time, but again the frustration on the face of Jeff Chan. He wanted the foul earlier. No good in the first. Almario hearing it from this crowd. He knocks it down. The shot clock is off. 7.5 on the clock. Bragais the inbounder. Passes it to Victoria. Victoria with 5 on the clock. Bragais still with the ball. Can for the championship. Too strong. Bragais throws it up. It's over. It's over. It's over. For the first time, Kamsur, an NBL champion.